Today we're going to explore 8 foods that are proven to lower blood sugar levels and improve your health. Whether you're new to managing diabetes or have been dealing with it for years, these foods should be on your plate. Let's get started. 1. Seafoods. When it comes to managing blood sugar, seafood is a game changer. Fish and shellfish are packed with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support stable blood sugar levels. Protein, in particular, plays a critical role. It slows digestion, which means it can help prevent those pesky post-meal blood sugar spikes. It also makes you feel fuller longer, reducing the chances of overeating, which is key for managing weight and keeping blood sugar in check. But here's the best part. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are especially powerful when it comes to blood sugar regulation. In fact, studies have shown that people who eat more fatty fish see significant improvements in their blood sugar levels after meals. One study with 68 adults found that those who consumed 26 ounces, about 750 grams, of fatty fish per week had much better post-meal blood sugar control compared to those who ate leaner fish. So, if you want to take charge of your diabetes, consider adding more fatty fish to your diet. To make the most of seafood's blood sugar benefits, aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish each week. Whether you grill, bake, or toss it in a salad or stew, the possibilities are endless. Not only will you be helping your blood sugar, but you'll also be loading up on omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health, something especially important for anyone managing diabetes. It's an easy, delicious, and nutritious way to improve your blood sugar regulation. 2. Oatmeal. Oatmeal isn't just a nostalgic comfort food, it's a powerhouse for blood sugar control. And here's why. It was actually the first food to receive a health claim from the FDA, which speaks volumes about its health benefits. When it comes to breakfast, oatmeal is a great choice over other starchy options like sugary cereals, because it's packed with fiber. The key benefit of oatmeal lies in its high fiber content, especially soluble fiber. This fiber helps slow down the digestion process, preventing spikes in blood sugar after meals. This is a big win for people managing diabetes, as keeping blood sugar levels stable is a priority. Oatmeal also makes you feel fuller longer, which can prevent overeating later in the day. Plus, the soluble fiber in oatmeal plays an important role in lowering bad LDL cholesterol, improving heart health, a major concern for those with diabetes. Why is this important? Diabetes often comes hand in hand with increased risk of heart disease, and managing both blood sugar and cholesterol levels is key. Oatmeal, with its rich fiber content, does just that. So how can you incorporate it into your routine? Start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal, and you're not only fueling your body with energy, but also supporting your blood sugar regulation. For added benefits, top your oatmeal with some cinnamon or a handful of nuts, which provide extra antioxidants and healthy fats. This simple breakfast can keep you feeling satisfied and energized, while also helping to stabilize your blood sugar levels. It's an easy, effective, and delicious way to take control of your diabetes. 3. Kimchi and sauerkraut. Fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut aren't just delicious. They can also help improve blood sugar levels. These foods are rich in probiotics, which are healthy bacteria that promote gut health, along with essential minerals and antioxidants. And it's not just about feeling good. These compounds have been linked to better blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. Why is this so important? Managing blood sugar is a constant challenge for those with diabetes, and adding fermented foods to your diet could be a game changer. Research has shown that probiotics, found in fermented foods, may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin response. In fact, a 2021 review concluded that probiotic-rich foods had a positive effect on blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes, especially in those whose diabetes was not well managed. This suggests that probiotics may play a big role in making it easier to manage blood sugar without relying on medication. While the science is promising, most studies on fermented foods and blood sugar regulation have been done on rodents or in labs. So, while the evidence is exciting, more human studies are needed to confirm the full effects. Incorporating fermented foods into your daily meals is simple and can be incredibly beneficial. A spoonful of kimchi or sauerkraut can easily be added to salads, sandwiches, or even as a side dish. You can also try adding fermented dairy like yogurt or kefir, which are packed with probiotics as well. By including these gut-boosting foods in your diet, you're not only improving your digestion but also giving your blood sugar regulation a helpful boost. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier life. Also, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. 4. Garlic. Garlic isn't just a flavorful addition to your meals, it's also a powerhouse when it comes to blood sugar control. Just 1 clove of raw garlic contains only 1 gram of carbs and 4 calories, making it a low-calorie food that fits easily into any diet. But the real magic happens when it comes to managing diabetes. Garlic has been shown to lower LDL, bad cholesterol, reduce blood sugar, and decrease inflammation, critical factors for anyone with type 2 diabetes. What makes garlic so effective? It contains compounds like allicin, which have been linked to improved blood sugar levels. Multiple studies have found that garlic can help regulate blood sugar, making it a great food to include in your diabetes management plan. Not only does it support blood sugar control, but it also plays a role in reducing inflammation, which can help lower your risk of complications related to diabetes. Garlic doesn't stop there. It's also been shown to lower blood pressure. In one study published in the Natural Medicine Journal, participants who consumed aged garlic over 12 weeks experienced a significant drop in blood pressure, an average of 10 points. This is great news for people with diabetes, as high blood pressure is common among those managing the condition. So, how can you add garlic to your diet? It's easy. You can incorporate raw garlic into your daily routine by adding it to salads, dressings, or even smoothies. If you're not a fan of raw garlic, try using it in cooked dishes like soups, stews, or stir-fries. The key is to include it regularly so that you can reap all the health benefits. 5. Red onion. Red onions may not always be the first food that comes to mind when thinking about managing diabetes, but they should be. These vibrant vegetables are not just packed with flavor, but they also bring some serious health benefits, especially for those with diabetes. Red onions contain more antioxidants than their yellow or white counterparts, which makes them a powerful ally in the fight against oxidative stress, a key factor in the development of diabetes complications. One of the biggest benefits of red onions is their ability to support heart health. They're a rich source of fiber, folate, and potassium, all of which are important for maintaining healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. For people with diabetes, managing heart health is crucial, since diabetes often increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The high levels of fiber in red onions help regulate blood sugar by slowing down the absorption of glucose, which helps prevent those sudden blood sugar spikes. Red onions are also rich in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to have protective effects against cancer, cardiovascular disease, and chronic conditions like asthma. The flavonoids in red onions are particularly effective in lowering inflammation and improving blood sugar control, making them an ideal food for those managing diabetes. So, how can you add red onions to your diet? It's simple. Toss them into your salads, sandwiches, or burgers for a crunchy, flavorful boost. You can also add them to stir-fries or grilled dishes to enhance the taste and increase the nutritional value. Red onions are incredibly versatile, and adding just a little to your meals can help support blood sugar control and improve your overall health. 6. Lentils. Lentils are not just a protein-packed, plant-based option for those looking to reduce meat intake. They're also a secret weapon in controlling blood sugar levels. What makes lentils so special? They are high in resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that the body doesn't fully digest. This means they have a minimal effect on blood sugar, making them an ideal food choice for diabetics. Resistant starch doesn't get broken down in the stomach, and instead reaches the colon, where it acts as food for the healthy bacteria in your gut. This not only helps regulate blood sugar, but also promotes better digestion and gut health. By feeding the beneficial bacteria in your digestive system, lentils can improve overall gut function, leading to better nutrient absorption and reduced inflammation. Lentils are also a fantastic source of protein. Actually, they contain the highest level of protein among vegetables. This makes them an excellent option for those who follow plant-based diets or anyone looking to cut back on meat while still meeting their protein needs. The protein content in lentils helps keep you full for longer, reducing the chances of overeating and helping with weight management, another key factor in blood sugar control. Incorporating lentils into your meals is easy and versatile. You can add them to soups, salads, stews, or curries. They pair well with a variety of spices and other vegetables, making them a delicious and nutritious addition to any dish. You can also prepare lentil-based burgers or patties for a tasty diabetes-friendly alternative to traditional meat burgers. 7. Red grapefruit. When it comes to fruits that can help lower blood sugar, ruby red grapefruits stand out as a powerful choice. These vibrant, tangy fruits are packed with antioxidants, far more than their white counterparts. They're not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits, especially for diabetics. Ruby red grapefruits are an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps support your immune system, and soluble fiber, which is great for controlling blood sugar levels. In fact, the American Diabetes Association has even included ruby red grapefruit on their list of superfoods, recognizing its ability to help manage blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that consuming ruby red grapefruit regularly can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and increase HDL, good cholesterol. This is key for heart health, as people with diabetes are at higher risk of cardiovascular issues. So not only does it help with blood sugar, but it also promotes heart health, a win-win for anyone managing diabetes. However, there's an important note of caution to keep in mind. Grapefruit can interact with certain diabetes medications, potentially causing serious side effects. It's always best to consult your doctor before adding grapefruit to your diet, especially if you are on medication. Incorporating ruby red grapefruit into your daily routine is easy. You can enjoy it as a snack, add it to salads, or even blend it into smoothies. Its tangy flavor can add a refreshing twist to your meals and beverages while providing a healthy dose of nutrients that support blood sugar regulation. So, if you're looking for a natural way to manage your blood sugar levels and boost your overall health, ruby red grapefruit is a must-have in your diet. Just be sure to check with your doctor first and enjoy this sweet and nutritious fruit with confidence. Wait. Shirataki noodles. Shirataki noodles may not be a food you often think of, but they should be. Grown in Japan, these unique noodles are made from the root of the konjac plant, which is packed with glucomannan, a type of soluble fiber. This fiber plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels, which is especially important for diabetics. The glucomannan in shirataki noodles works wonders by slowing down the digestion process. It helps slow the passage of food through the digestive tract, which leads to a slower release of glucose into the bloodstream. As a result, it can help stabilize blood sugar levels after meals. In addition, it promotes a feeling of fullness, which can prevent overeating, a common issue for people managing diabetes. What makes shirataki noodles stand out even more is that they are incredibly low in calories and carbohydrates. This makes them an excellent choice for those who need to manage their weight and control their blood sugar. Despite being so low in calories, these noodles are rich in fiber, which has proven benefits for heart health and blood sugar control. In fact, studies have shown that consuming shirataki noodles can help reduce blood glucose levels and even improve risk factors for heart disease in people with metabolic syndrome and diabetes. Shirataki noodles are incredibly versatile. You can use them as a substitute for traditional pasta or rice in your meals. Whether you're making a stir-fry, soup, or a cold noodle salad, shirataki noodles can fit seamlessly into your diet without spiking your blood sugar. Just be sure to rinse them well before cooking to remove any excess liquid and improve their texture. So there you have it. 8 must-eat foods that can help lower your blood sugar and support your overall health. From the heart-healthy fatty fish like salmon, to the fiber-packed lentils, and even the surprising power of garlic and onions, each of these foods offers unique benefits that can help you manage diabetes more effectively. The best part? You can easily incorporate them into your meals, making your food choices both delicious and beneficial for your health. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which food you're excited to try. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more tips for managing your diabetes. And if you're hungry for more, check out the next video in the description below for even more foods that can help support healthy blood sugar levels. Stay healthy and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.